Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Ipsy boxes for December and January. So if you would like to see what I got, please keep watching. So I'm obviously like way behind, but that's what happens when you have a baby. But I still wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got from Ipsy Open Studios because I love Ipsy, and before I was even a part of Open Studios, I was already subscribed to get Ipsy. I've been getting it for like, I don't know, 7 years maybe. But yeah, now that I'm a part of Ipsy Open Studios, they do send me their Ipsy Glam Bag and then their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then they also send me like additional things here and there. But yeah, I wanted to share it with you guys because like I said, genuinely love Ipsy. So let's dig in. So I'm going to start off with December's box. So this is what I got. Here's just a quick overview. So let's go ahead and start off with the Glam Bag. So it's this Sherpa one, super cute. I keep all of mine. Like I have this bag over here where I literally keep every single little tiny Ipsy bag because these are like perfect for traveling, or if you want to throw some makeup in your purse, you could throw it in these little bags. So I love to hold on to these. So the first thing I have in here is from Murad, and it's the Environmental Shield Essential Sea Cleanser. This is what it looks like. I haven't tried a lot from this brand. Right now I'm using their hydration toner, or their hydrating spray toner, which I think I prefer a spray toner over, like, you know, the ones that you put on the cotton pad and then rub all over. I just think it's like more gentle on my skin. Then I have the Benefit the Pore Professional Pore Primer. I actually own this, and I have dry normal skin, more so dry, especially like when it's cold outside, but I usually like the pore filling primers on my nose because I have a really hard time keeping foundation and concealer on my nose without it breaking up. But I've noticed if I use like a pore filling primer on my nose, that helps a lot, so it helps to keep my makeup on. Then I got the Perlice Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. I've tried the Blue Lotus moisturizer before, but I don't think I've ever tried the eye serum, so I'm super excited to try this with the moisturizer that I have. And then I believe the last thing in here is from Wander Beauty, and it's the Skyliner Automatic Eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. I don't think I've ever... I know I've gotten Wander Beauty products in the past, but I honestly don't think I've tried any of them. I think I just got the foundation not too long ago, so I'm super excited to try some stuff from there. But yeah, super cute bag. Then here is the Glam Bag Plus. So the first thing we have in here is from QMS, and this is the Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. I love skincare. This says, nourishing cream power-packed with revitalizing vitamins and botanical marine complex to moisturize, protect, and renew all day and night. It says, key concern, maintaining moisturization and nourishment, which I need. Skin type dry to normal, perfect. So yeah. Then we have the Verify 2020 eye cream. It says it has oh my gosh, what does that say? Phytoglycogen? Welcome back to reading and pronouncing words with Brittany wrong. Peptides eye cream. This says helps to reveal a bright and even skin tone. It provides the skin with deep hydration. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Has vitamin B3 and cucumber. I don't think I've heard of this brand before, but like I said, like I'm all for moisturizers and eye creams. I love those two things. Then I got the Tula So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. I have been seeing Tula like all over Instagram lately. I don't know what's going on. And I know I'm saying a lot because like I remember it, and it's just weird because like, have you ever noticed when you're on social media, like you'll see a brand like over and over and over, it seems like everybody's using it at the time. That's this brand for me right now. So it makes me want to like try some stuff from them. So I'm super excited to try this out. Get smoother, brighter, and more even looking skin with this gentle yet effective sugar scrub. So can you put it on your face, I guess? Right? You should be able to put it on your face. Maybe not. Maybe I should check on that because it doesn't really say that you can put it on your face. So I'm going to check on that. But if you guys have tried anything from Tula, let me know and I'll go grab that. Then I got the It Superhero Volumizing Mascara. I've tried this before and I love it. Like, this is one of my favorite like high-end mascaras. Then I got this brush. Ooh, this looks nice. What is this? Bow. I have no idea. I cannot read that, but that's the name on the brush. This looks really nice. Looks like a really nice powder brush. Yeah, it says powder brush on it. Love that. Let's see. Then I got a eyeshadow palette, I think. This is Nomad times Toscana. And this is what? Tuscany? Oh my gosh. You guys. But that's what it says. But this is the eyeshadow palette. Ooh, look at this packaging. It's really cute. It's definitely like a warm, everyday type of palette. A very safe looking palette. But I don't think I've tried anything from this brand. And I like the packaging. And then, like I said, they do throw in a couple of just like random like Ipsy merch. So they threw in this Ipsy deck of cards. So cute. Like, I love these little things. Like, I'll probably never open it. And then they gave me a Happy Holidays from Ipsy Open Studios 200-piece puzzle. Oh, this might be fun to put together with the baby. And then maybe I can frame it and put it up. Like, I keep all my PR. If you can see, like right here, everything I've ever gotten is up here. Because, like, I just can't believe it. So, and then the bag for the Glam Bag Plus is just a bigger version of the Sherpa bag. Super cute. Like, those two bags together would be cute. And then also for December, they have this new thing that's out that's called Ipsy Refreshments. So this says, introducing Refreshments, extra clean, freaky, fun face body essentials at Ipsy. So they're coming out with their own skincare. So they sent me the box of Refreshments. That's cute. I like that too. And this is what it looks like. So this says, why settle for basics when you can have Refreshments? So it looks like I got some cute little holographic stickers. Ooh, look at this bag. You guys, this is so cute. Let's see what we got. So, the first thing in here is a velvety body cream, and the scent is Citrus Spritz. Look how big this is. I am living for these colors. It reminds me of Vera Bradley, and what's that new one I just discovered this year? It's like right here. I can't think of it, but yeah, it reminds me of that. Let's smell it. Okay, I can't really smell it because it has a little thing on it, but it says nourishes and restores, quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration. And it says it leaves a royal glow. It's vegan, free of parabens, sulfates, It says it has shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. Ooh, super excited for that. Then I got some Refreshments cleansing face wipes. I just wanted to see if there was a scent, but it says it has argan oil, aloe vera juice, and sunflower seed oil in it. And then the last thing is, oh, I love hand cream. I swear, like, I wash my hands a million times a day, and then if I'm not washing my hands, I'm using hand sanitizer, so my hands are so dry. So I have hand cream literally everywhere, so this is amazing. So this is the Refreshments Luscious Hand Cream, and it's the scent Citrus Spritz, so just like the body cream. And this is what it looks like. January came in a big giant box, so I'm super excited. Okay, so we have some Ipsy merch first. wanted a new notebook. Oh, yay. Okay, so this is an Ipsy notebook. Has a pen that comes with it and it says dream it. Like, I'm one of those people that like, it's like the older I get, and maybe because of lack of sleep with my baby, but like I can't remember anything. So I literally I have so many notes like in my phone. I have a notepad that I'm about to run out, so it's perfect timing. But I literally have to write everything down or I'll forget. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, this is perfect and super cute. But like I said, it makes me like not want to open it because like I just love this stuff so much. But that's cute. Sorry, I figured I would zoom you guys in a little bit more. Then we have this. Oh, that's cute too. It's a ceramic bottle, like a drinking bottle. Oh, how cute. This would be so cute to take. Well, I don't know if I want to take it to the beach. I don't want to break it, but like this would be so cute for like little pictures and stuff. How cute is this? And then it just says Ipsy at the bottom. And it's heavy. It feels like expensive. Oh, cute. And then here is January's box. So the theme is Dream It. And here's a quick glimpse. So let's start with the Glam bag. This is cute too. This would be cute for the beach because it's like see-through, you know? Oh. So the first thing in here is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and it's in the shade Soleil. A pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids. Ooh, cute. Perfect for the summertime. Then I got the Oma Drama Bomb. This is the Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara. I haven't tried a new mascara in a long time, and I don't think I've tried anything from that brand. I love Origins. I love the vitamin C under eye cream and the moisturizer and the facial scrub. Like, those are my favorite things from Origins. But this is the retexturizing mask with rose clay. Excited for that. And then the last thing is Stila liquid lipstick in the shade Patina, which if you know, you know. This is an OG right here. Okay, moving on to the Glam Bag Plus. I'm going to be showing you guys that stuff. So it looks like we have a thing of brushes. This is from LaRousse Beauty. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So this is what they look like. So I have that little package of brushes. I usually keep my brushes in the case until I need a new one because I like to keep them like fresh, you know. Then we have the Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. Bare Face Happy Place. It says Kinship, I guess would be the brand. This is what it looks like. I haven't heard of this brand. I'm always excited to try like new brands I've never heard of. Then we have a Wander Beauty Lip Retreat Oil. You guys know how I feel about lip masks and chapsticks. Like, those are my favorite things. So I'm super excited for this. Let's look at it. Oh, let's shut. What's in the shade Oasis? So this says a luxurious lip-loving treatment oil with the shine of a gloss. It says it has fatty acids for healthier looking lips, apricot kernel, and avocado oil, firm and deeply moisturize. Works for me. Oh, cute. And this is what it looks like. Next we have, I swear I can read, I promise you, but some of these I just don't know. Selah by Celine. I'm not gonna even try to pronounce her last name. This is the Creme Violet Soothing Hand and Body Butter with lavender and oatmeal. Ooh, luxurious hand and body butter formulated with Canadian botanicals, lavender and oatmeal to deeply nourish and soothe the skin. This is what I need, people. Next, I got this Youth to the People. I literally can't pronounce anything. Acai, prickly pear, and goji. Super berry, hydrate, and glow oil. Facial oil. Ooh, I'm super excited for that. It says this ultra enriched flash absorbing face oil harnesses the nutrients of rare super berries to hydrate and deliver a velvety, soft, healthy glow. Excellent on freshly cleansed skin or as a primer under makeup. That. And then the last thing is from Pixi. I haven't tried anything from Pixi in a long time. This is the blush quad. It looks like it has 2 highlighters and then 2 blushes. And then this is the Glam bag plus bag. I like how both the bags match so I can, you know, be matchy-matchy. So that's everything from January. So that's everything from my Ipsy bags for December and January. Again, I'm so sorry that I have taken this long to show you guys what I got. Yeah, but that's life. So I will try to do better and be faster about showing you guys these things. But let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, let me know if you guys are subscribed to Ipsy and what you think, like what your favorite thing is or whatever. And then if not, I do have a link in my description box if you want to subscribe to them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.